GST, Goods and Services Tax, and Indian Contract Act. Kerala PSC question paper 4. Departmental exam, PSC exams, UPSC exams, UGC NET exam, SET, in-service exams, degree PG level exams, and various other exams. MCQ, multiple choice questions. Then question number 1. Every registered person shall discharge his liability towards tax, interest, penalty, fees, or any other amount payable by answer debiting the electronic liability ledger. I repeat, every registered person shall discharge his liability towards tax, interest, penalty, fees, or any other amount payable by option A, debiting the electronic cash ledger. Option B, debiting the electronic credit ledger. Option C, debiting the electronic liability ledger. Correct answer, option C, debiting the electronic liability ledger. Question number 2. It is mandatory to report HSN code at 2 digits level for taxpayers having annual turnover in the preceding year. Option A, above rupees 1.50 crore. Option B, up to rupees 5 crore. Option C, A or B. Option D, A and or B. Correct answer, A and or B. That is above rupees 1.50 crore and or up to 5 crore. Question number 3. Amount in electronic cash ledger actually amounts to dash. Answer, credit of taxable person paid in cash. Question number 4. Every registered taxable person who has made outward supplies in the period between the date on which he became liable to registration till the date on which registration has been granted shall declare the same in the dash. Answer, first return filed by him after grant of registration. Question number 5. Details of taxable outward supplies finished in returns for earlier tax periods in table 4, 5 and 6 can be amended through answer option B, table 9 of GSTR 1. Question number 6. Details of B2C outward supplies furnished in returns for earlier period in table 7 can be amended through dash. Answer, table 10 of GSTR 1. Question number 7. Details of consolidated statement advances received in current period shall be furnished in answer table 11A subsection 1 and table 11A subsection 2 of GSTR 1. Question number 8. Registered person paying tax under normal scheme shall submit GSTR 3B monthly. Answer, within 20 days, 20 days after the end of such month. Question number 9. Annual return is to be filed by answer registered person supplying goods or services or both. Question number 10. Every registered person whose aggregate turnover during a financial year exceeds 2 crore rupees shall get his accounts audited and furnish a copy of audited annual accounts and a reconciliation statement duly certified in dash. Answer, form GSTR 9C. Question number 11. In case of composition dealer, amendments to details of inward supplies furnished in returns for earlier tax periods can be amended through answer table 5A of GSTR 4. Question number 12. Due date of annual return is answer 31st December following the close of financial year. Question number 13. Every registered taxable person who required to file return under section 39 subsection 1 of CGST Act and whose registration has been cancelled shall furnish answer final return. Then question number 14. UQC details to be furnished for option A, supply of goods, option B, supply of services, option C, A or B, option D, A and B A and B B. Correct answer A and B. Then question number 15. Details of inward supplies made by composition dealer shall be furnished in answer table 4 of GSTR 4. Question number 16. Annual audit report is required to be certified by practicing answer CA or CMA. Question number 17. Who has to file annual returns? Option A, those charging GST invoices paying GST on monthly basis. Option B, persons paying GST under composition scheme. Option C, registered persons supplying goods or services or both. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 18. Taxable person with the same PAN but multiple GSTIN has to file dash annual return in GSTR 9 and dash annual audit report in form GSTR 9C for each GSTIN. Correct answer, separate. That is, I repeat, taxable person with the same PAN but multiple GSTIN has to file separate annual return in GSTR 9 and separate annual audit report in form GSTR 9C for each GSTIN. Question number 19. Registered person paying tax under composition scheme shall submit GSTR for quarterly. Answer, within 18 days after the end of such month. Within 18 days, 18 days after the end of such month. Question number 20. A registered person may claim refund of any balance in the electronic cash ledger in dash. Answer, part B of form GSTR 3. Question number 21. Annual return by taxable persons paying tax under composition scheme shall be furnished in answer form GSTR 9A. Question number 22. Rectification in returns cannot be done if answer mistake or short payment was found during scrutiny, audit, inspection or enforcement activity by the tax authorities. Question number 23. Rectification can be done only through subsequent answer annual return. Question number 24. Can one amend the GSTR 3B return after filing? Answer, yes. One can adjust the same. Yes, one can adjust the same in next return. Question number 25. Late fee for GSTR 3B return is answer rupees 25 per day of CGST and SGST, UTGST each. Question number 26. Every UIN holder who claims refund of the taxes paid on his inward supplies shall furnish the details of such supplies along with application for refund in dash. Answer, form GSTR 11. Question number 27. Annual return by taxable persons paying tax under normal scheme shall be furnished in dash. Answer, form GSTR 9. Question number 28. Annual audit report shall be furnished in answer form GSTR 9C. Question number 29. Sugam quarterly return is for small taxpayers having dash. Answer, option A, only B2B supplies. Option B, only B2C supplies. Option C, both A and B. Option D, only B2C supplies below rupees 5 lakhs each. Correct answer, both A and B. That is, only B2B supplies and only B2C supplies. Then question number 30. Sahaj quarterly returns is for small taxpayers having answer only B2C suppliers. Question number 31. Input service distributor shall furnish a return in answer form GSTR 6. Question number 32. What is the name of the return to be filed by the small taxpayers in proposed return scheme? Option A, Sahaj. Option B, Sugam. Option C, Saral. Option D, Sajag. Correct answer, option A and B. That is, Sahaj and Sugam. Question number 33. The quarterly return in the proposed system will not have complaints required in relation to option A, missing and pending invoices, as small taxpayers don't use these procedures in their inventory management. Option B, supplies such as non-GST supply, exempted supply, etc. will not be reported as they don't create any liability. Option C, details of ITC on capital good credit shall not be required. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 34. Annual return is summary of answer. Option A, GSTR 1. Option B, GSTR 3B. Option C, GSTR 4. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 35. Aggregate turnover is computed answer on all India basis. Question number 36. Annual return has to be filed under answer section 44 of CGST Act. Question number 37. In proposed return scheme, ISD, TDS, TCS and NRTP returns shall be filed answer monthly. Question number 38. Taxes to be paid at the time of return filing need to be made via dash answer GST PMT forms. Question number 39. In proposed return system, nil return can also be filed via dash answer SMS. Question number 40. Final return shall be furnished in answer form GSTR 10. Question number 40. Final return shall be furnished in dash answer form GSTR 10. Question number 41. Final return in form GSTR 10 shall be furnished answer option A within 3 months of date of cancellation. Option B within 3 months of the date of cancellation order. Option D, A or B, whichever is later. Correct answer option D, A or B, whichever is later. That is within 3 months of the date of cancellation or within 3 months of the date of cancellation order, whichever is later. Question number 42. Who is not required to file final return? Answer option A, input service distributor. Option B, non-resident taxable person. Option C, composition dealer. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer option B, non-resident taxable person. Question number 43. How many amendments are permissible to each return in the proposed return at format? Answer 2. Question number 44. In proposed returns, reporting of missing invoices by recipient can be delayed up to answer 2 tax periods. Question number 45. Quarterly returns in the proposed return format shall be following types. Answer normal quarterly return. Question number 46. In quarterly returns, the period to be considered will be answer 3 consecutive calendar months. Question number 47. The supplier and the recipient of a supply shall dash to pay tax or to pay the input tax credit availed as the case may be in relation to outward supplies for which the details have been furnished under section 43A subsection 3 or section 43A subsection 4 of CGST Act, but return thereof has not been furnished. Section 43A subsection 6 of CGST Act inserted white CGST Amendment Act 2018. Answer be joined and severely liable. Question number 48. The facility to amend the invoices in the proposed return structure is allowed till answer these invoices were locked. Question number 49. Once the shipping bill details are being given in the GST returns, it gets transmitted to answer ICEGATE. ICEGATE. Question number 50. When there is undue influence, contract is dash. Answer voidable at option of one party. Question number 51. Performance under the contract must be unconditional. Question number 52. If no time is specified for performance, the promise must be performed within answer reasonable time. Question number 53. In contingent contract event is dash. Answer uncertain. Question number 54. In contingent contract, performance depends upon dash in some event. Answer happening or non-happening. Question number 55. In contingent contract, event is dash. Answer future. Question number 56. In contingent contract, event must be dashed to the contract. Collateral. Answer collateral. Question number 57. Where contract is consists of two promises which are consideration for each other, then promises are called dash. Answer reciprocal promises. Question number 58. When a party to a contract promises to do a certain thing at or before a specified time and fails to do such things at or before a specified time, dash. Answer, the contract becomes voidable at the option of the promisee. Question number 59. Every agreement by which one is restrained from exercising a lawful profession, trade or business of any kind is to that extent, answer, void. Question number 60. If a restraint is reasonable, it will be valid. This was held in famous case. Answer, Nordenfeld versus Maxim Nordenfeld Guns Company. Question number 61. Contingent contract depend upon happening of an uncertain future event. Cannot be enforced until event has, answer, happened. Question number 62. A wagering agreement is dash whereas a contingent contract is, answer, void, valid. I repeat question number 62. A wagering agreement is void whereas a contingent contract is valid. Question number 63. A contingent contract is dash. Answer, a contract to do something if some event collateral to such contract does or does not happen. Question number 64. If contract of sale of immovable properties time is dash. Answer, not presumed to be essence of the contract. Question number 65. In case of reciprocal promises which is not applicable. Answer, option A, they can be performed simultaneously. Option B, they cannot be performed simultaneously. Option C, they can be fixed by the parties to the contract. Option D, as depending upon the nature of contract. I repeat, correct answer, they cannot be performed simultaneously. That is, in case of reciprocal promises, they cannot be performed simultaneously. Question number 66. If promisee accepts late performance when time is essence of contract, then answer, promisee cannot claim compensation unless at the time of acceptance that he intends to claim compensation for loss. Question number 67. If two or more persons have made a joint promise, they are known as dash. Answer, joint promiser. Question number 68. One of the essential of wagering agreement is that event must be dash. Answer, uncertain. Question number 69. Which of the following is wagering agreement? Answer, a bet between two persons on result of cricket match. Question number 70. Wagering agreements have been expressly declared to be dash in India. Answer, void. Question number 71. A, B and C jointly promise to pay D rupees 6,000. C is unable to pay anything and A is compelled to pay whole amount to D. Which of the following correct? Answer, A is entitled to recover rupees 3,000 from B. Question number 72. A, B and C jointly promise to pay rupees 10,000 to D. Before performance of the contract, C dies. Here the contract dash. Answer, should be performed by A and B along with C's legal representatives. Question number 73. If no time is specified, I repeat. Question number 73. If no time is specified for performance of a contract, it must be performed within a reasonable time. Reasonable time means dash. Answer, which is reasonable under the facts and circumstances of the case. Question number 74. Mixed supply means two or more of goods or services by at a taxable person for a dash. Answer, individual supplies, single price. Question number 75. Union territory does not include, Answer option A Lakshadweep, option B Delhi, option C Puducherry, option D both A, B and C. Correct answer both B and C, that is Delhi and Puducherry. Question number 76. Output tax in relation to taxable person excludes. Answer tax payable under reverse charge. Question number 77. Proper officer for the purpose of GST means option A commissioner, option B officer of central tax who is assigned any function by the commissioner. Answer both the A and B. That is commissioner and officer of central tax who is assigned any function by the commissioner. Question number 78. A registered person does not include. Answer person who has been allotted UIN. Question number 79. Removal of goods shall mean. Answer dispatch of goods by the supplier, collection of goods by the recipient, both A and B. That is dispatch of goods by the supplier and collection of goods by the recipient. Question number 80. Taxable person shall mean a person who is. Answer registered. Option A registered, option B liable to be registered, option C both A and B. Correct answer both A and B, that is registered and liable to be registered. Question number 81. Which of the following services shall be covered within the meaning of telecommunication services? Answer option A data services, option B audio text services, option C radio paging, option D all of the above. Correct answer option D all of the above. Question number 82. Union territory shall mean the territory of. Answer Lakshadweep. Option A Lakshadweep, option B Chandigarh, option C Daman and Diu, option D all of the above. Correct answer all of the above. That is Lakshadweep, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu. Question number 83. Which of the following shall be considered as valid return? Answer return furnished under section 39 subsection 1 on which self-assessed tax has been paid in full. Question number 84. In contract of sale of movable properties, time is dash. Answer presumed to be the essence of the contract. Question number 85. If the original contract exists, the aggrieved party can dash. Answer resort to damages. Question number 86. The right to sue or condemn is lies with dash. Answer option A the party at fault, that is who has not performed his promise. Option B the party who is not at fault, that is who has performed his part of the contract. Option C either A or B. Correct answer either A or B. That is the party at fault, that is who has not performed his promise, or the party who is not at fault, that is who has performed his part of the contract. Question number 87. The right to claim on condemned merit arises. Answer option A out of the contract, like the right to damages. Option B on the quasi-contractual obligation which the law implies in the circumstances. Answer both A and B. Question number 88. When a contract ceases to bind the parties to it, it is said to be. Answer discharged. Question number 89. A contract can be discharged by. Answer performance of the contract and frustration of the contract. Question number 90. A contract has become more difficult of performance due to some event or delays. The contract is. Answer is not discharged. Question number 91. Dash means an order of the court restraining a person from doing what he promised not to do. Answer injunction. Question number 92. Specific performance may be ordered by the court. Answer when damages are not an adequate remedy. Question number 93. Specific performance will not be ordered. Dash. Answer option A where monetary compensation is an adequate remedy. Option B where the court cannot supervise the execution of the contract. Option C where the contract is for personal service. Option D all of the above. Correct answer option D all of the above. Question number 94. Injunction may be dash. Answer prohibitory or mandatory. Question number 95. A pays the money to B by mistake. It is really due to C. Answer B must refund the money to A. C, however, cannot recover the amount from B as there is no privity of contract. Question number 96. A supplies rice and wheat to the wife and children of B, who is a lunatic. B has assets worth 1 lakh of rupees. Which of the following is correct in relation to his statement? Relation to this statement? Answer: contract is valid and A can recover the amount to the extent of assets of 1 lakh of rupees. Question number 97. Object of awarding damages for breach of contract is: answer: to put the injured party in the same position so far as money can do. Question number 98. The rule relating to damages is based on the leading decision in: answer: Hartley versus Baxendale. Question number 99. Special damages are awarded when there is dash. Answer: option A are special circumstances. Option B is special laws. Option C is a notice of likely special laws. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer: all of above. Question number 100. Dash are awarded with a view to punish the party in default. Answer: exemplary, vindictive, damages. Thank you.